Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'll be teaching you on how to put spaces in your display name on Roblox. So first and foremost, you need to know that it is not actually possible to all accounts, but I have an alternative way for you to do in order to put a space on your name or display name on Roblox. So first, just have to click on the gear icon or the settings at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, this one, and then click on settings. So here in the account info section, you'll be able to see your display name, username, as well as your email address. Now at the right side, you can see the pencil or the pen icon. Just have to click on it. And here you can see my display name that has an underscore between the two words, right? So that is my alternative way in order to put space or spaces in my display name. Because if you try to put a space between your name, that character is not supported in the change display name section. So you just have to use an underscore if you really wanted to put spaces or space on your name. Okay, so that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.